Alright. Okay. One night only. Renaissance. Bangkok. Tomorrow we're off to Singapore, but we're going to enjoy one night here. Here we are. I'm filming everyone. This has a thing here where you can open and close the shades. Very standard of a nice hotel. That way if you want to watch people go to the bathroom. Shower, toilet, wow. Closet, slippers. Just, yeah, look, a fucking closet. Holy smokes.
They have a weighing scale.
They have a scale to see how much Thai food is, how fat I'm getting from eating Thai food. Look, there's a native man eating rice. Yeah, very delicious. We found him in the street, we brought him in. And there is a native lady and a marijuana consumer here. Very stoned. Nice room. Look at this, is worn out here. Look, Yancy. You know why, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Action.
Yikes.
Get action in this room, yeah?
Yikes, a lot.
And now Yancy likes to imagine that. That is Central World right there. We're looking at it. We're going there. And yeah. Central Patania. I know what time it closes. What time does it open? 10. Oh, that's a bummer. Nice mall, nice buildings. Very high up. 12th floor, I suppose. So, I guess that's it. Concludes our tour.